There once was a boy who was watching the village sheep. Watching the village sheep was not fun, and soon the boy got a naughty idea, and he yelled out, "Wolf! Wolf!" Hearing the boy's cry, some villagers came running. But when they arrived, the boy just laughed. And the villagers said, "Don't cry wolf if there's no wolf." Some more time has passed, and the boy was still bored. So, once again, he said, "Wolf! Wolf!" When the villager arrived, he saw that there was no wolf, and the boy had tricked him again. And he said, "Don't cry wolf if there's no wolf." Later that evening, the boy did see a wolf. And he yelled and cried for help, but nobody came to help. And all of the village sheep ran away in fear of the wolf. The villagers told the boy that no one believes a liar, even when they're telling the truth, and they went looking for the sheep in the morning. The end.